Welcome to our tutorial on hydroponics plant growing. In this video, we'll provide tips and tricks for new hydroponics plant growers to help them grow healthy plants. Hydroponics has many advantages over traditional soil-based growing. With hydroponics, you can grow plants faster, with higher yields, and in smaller spaces. To set up a hydroponic system, you'll need several components, including containers, pumps, and a growing medium. Let's take a closer look at each of these components. When selecting plants for hydroponics, it's important to choose plants that are well suited for this type of growing. Let's take a look at some of the best plants for hydroponics and how to choose them. Managing nutrient levels is crucial for healthy hydroponic plants. In this segment, we'll discuss how to manage nutrient levels, including pH balance and nutrient solutions. Optimizing lighting and temperature is essential for healthy hydroponic plants. Let's take a closer look at how to optimize lighting and temperature for hydroponic plants. In this segment, we'll identify common problems that hydroponic growers may encounter and provide solutions to these problems. To recap, we've covered the benefits of hydroponics, how to set up a hydroponic system, choosing the right plants, managing nutrient levels, optimizing lighting and temperature, and troubleshooting common problems. We hope these tips and tricks will help you grow healthy hydroponic plants.